Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some fantastic crowded house. Don't dream it's over. Cool. So let's start with putting a capo on 3rd fret, please. 1, 2, 3. Bam. So we got some cool chords. We got a, let's call this C. So we got a C9, right? Yeah. So that's 3, 3, 6, 6 bar. So 3, 6, 6, 3, and 3. And then we have A9. A sus. What is it? A add sus. So that's 1, 2. And then we got a good old F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then E7. So that's the chords for the verses. So down, up, down, 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 E7. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then for the chorus, we got F, G, C, A minor. You can do more regular strumming. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, and stay on F. And on G there for the chorus. Okay. Let's talk about the intro a little bit. So same chord, like the first chord for the verses, but some other things are going on. So it's down, up, down, up. Lift up your pinky there, and then add your pinky on. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the intro 2 times. Maybe not second time. I think they just do the pinky there first time. 3, 4, and then. So before the keyboard solo and the guitar solo, they don't go to the G. They hang on the F. 1, 2, 1, 2. Keyboard solo. Like a guitar thing. That's F to C, F to C, 3 times, to C, B flat. So that's the same chord as for the verses, just do it here instead. 3, 4, 1, 2, second verse. Okay, here's gonna be the chorus out. And here something funny happens. They, instead of the F, they play a D minor, which is super cool. It's the only time that happens. So 1, 2, 3, and then it's regular chorus. So that's it. That's all the parts. Intro. And then verses. F, E7. Chorus F, G, C, A minor. And the last time stay on F. G, G. And yeah, keyboard solo. Same chords as the verse, and then when the guitar, it's a little guitar thing. That's F to C, F to C, F to C, and end on B flat. And then it's back to verse and all that stuff. Okay, cool guys. What a great tune, man. Fantastic. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Thank you.